Hello students. Today we will learn about parts of a computer. Computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of work. We can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen to music, check spellings, store information, do calculations, etc. on a computer. In the previous class, we have learned the use of computers in different fields. They are used almost in every sphere of life. Let us review some of these areas. Space research, offices, hospitals, designing, defense, airport, animated movies, and in banking. A computer is one of the greatest inventions of mankind. It works at a very high speed and performs the following functions. Input function accepts data given by the user. Processing function works on data according to the instructions. Output function gives the desired results. Storage function stores the information according to our need. Who is he? He is Charles Babbage, regarded as the father of computer. Okay, students, let us know more about computer. IBM's first PC was introduced on August 12, 1981. The PC stood for Personal Computer, making IBM responsible for popularizing the term PC. Let us now talk about the functions of a computer. Input: the data and instructions which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. We can enter numbers, words, pictures, or sounds as input. Processing is after entering data and instructions in a computer. The CPU works on the input to give meaningful information. This is called processing. Output is when the data is processed in CPU to give useful information. It is known as output. This input process output cycle can be understood with the help of an example. Suppose you want to calculate the total marks of different subjects on a computer. See how the processing takes place in a computer. The first step is to input data and instructions, that is, marks and plus symbol. 90, 85, 69, 98, 76, 84 plus. Now, computer is working on the data on the basis of given instructions. 90 plus 85 plus 69 plus 98 plus 76 plus 84. In the end, computer gives meaningful information and result which will be 502. On the basis of total marks, the teacher calculates the percentage of a student and finds his or her position in the class. Likewise, we also perform various tasks by following the IPO, input, process, output cycle. Let us understand it through some day-to-day life examples. What steps does your mother take when she prepares a cup of tea? Collecting water, tea leaves, milk and sugar is input. Boiling water, tea leaves, milk and sugar is processing. An output will be prepared tea. Let us take another example. What do you do when you want to talk to your friend on a telephone? Input is dialing the number, process is connecting the number, and output will be talking to your friend. We shall discuss about parts of a computer. A computer has 4 main parts which help in performing the IPO cycle. Keyboard. A keyboard is the most important part of the computer. It has a number of keys on it. We enter information and instructions into the computer using the keyboard. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the results and movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. A monitor is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. There are three types of monitors. CRT, cathode rays tube monitors. CRT monitors are bigger in size and consume more power. LCD, liquid crystal display monitor. It is a flat type of computer screen that consumes less power. It is maximum use today. LED, light emitting diode monitor. These monitors have better display. They are thinner and lighter in weight. They use 40% less power than LCDs and last longer. Okay, now let us talk about CPU, that is, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer that controls all the functions of a computer. It does all the calculations and displays the result on the monitor. It also stores a lot of information. A CPU is made up of three main parts. They are MU, CU and ALU. MU, memory unit. In this unit, we can store information or data according to our need. The information in the memory can be changed and recalled on the screen when needed. The data and instructions are also stored in the memory unit, which are to be processed. CU, control unit. The control unit works like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages the working of all parts of a computer. Arithmetic and logic unit. This unit performs all arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also performs logical operations like finding the greater number or smaller number, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or equal to and not equal to numbers. Alright, now we shall discuss about mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU by a cable. A mouse usually has two buttons on it. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. When we move a mouse with our hand, a pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. It also helps to draw pictures. Nowadays, mostly the scroll mouse is in use, which has a wheel in the center of the two buttons. Okay, students, let us do an activity using a mouse. Click on Start, then go to All Programs, then go to Accessories, then go to Paint to open Paint program. Or right-click on the Paint icon and select Send to Desktop. Create Shortcut option. Double-click on the Paint icon on the desktop. Click on Oval tool in the Shapes group. Now drag the pointer on the drawing area to draw the oval shape. So let us discuss about printer. A printer prints the information from a computer onto a paper. The output printed on a paper is called hard copy. The output can be either in black and white or in color. Let us do an activity using a printer. After completing the colorful drawing on a computer, click on Paint icon and select the Print option. You will find a print window. Click on Print tab to take the hard copy of your drawing. children, let me tell you what makes a computer powerful. Speed. A computer works very fast and can do large number of calculations quickly. Reliability. Computers are quite reliable. They do not make any mistakes. Storage. A computer can store a large amount of data which can be used anytime. Versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks and is used in almost all fields. Accuracy. A computer always gives correct results. Mistakes are normally done from a user's side. Diligence. A computer can work for long hours without getting tired. Multitasking. A computer can do many tasks at the same time. Let us discuss about disadvantage of a computer. A computer is a useful learning tool, but it has some disadvantages, which are as follows. Zero IQ, intelligence quotient. A computer does not have an IQ or its own intelligence. By mistake, if you enter the incorrect input, it will give the wrong result. Health. Working on a computer for long hours could affect your eyesight. It could also become the cause of obesity. Electricity. A computer depends on electricity and cannot work for a long time without it. Costly. It is a costly device. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Computer is a machine that works with the data and instructions given by the user. It works on IPO cycle. Input is the data and instructions that is entered into a computer. A keyboard and a mouse are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. A monitor displays all the work that we do on a computer and also shows the output. A CPU does all calculations and displays the result on the monitor. A CPU is made up of MU, CU, and ALU. ALU performs all arithmetic calculations and logical operations. A mouse is used to point, select, and move any object on the computer screen. The output printed on a paper using printer is called hard copy.